Dear students, today we are going to discuss different atomic species. This topic is part of chapter 2 students, but this is actually general thing. You all must know. Some of the terms you must have studied in your class 9th, but here also I am brushing them up. First one is isotopes. Atoms of the same element which have same atomic number but different mass number. They are known as isotopes. So students, if these atoms have same atomic number, they must be having same number of proton and electron, isn't it? And if they have different mass number, so mass number is actually what? Mass number equals to number of proton plus number of neutrons. So what is different, students, over here? Here number of neutrons are different, because if number of protons are same in those two atoms and mass number is different, that means what is different? Number of neutrons are different. So they are known as isotopes. Example is hydrogen's 3 isotopes, students: protium, deuterium and tritium. 1H1, 1H2 and 1H3. You can see that all are having same atomic number, but their mass number is different, hence their number of neutron is different. In protium, you can see that there is no neutron, but in deuterium there is 1 neutron, and in tritium there are 2 neutrons. They are denoted by capital letter H, D and T. Now coming to another example, students. Carbon 6, 12. 6 is the number of protons or electrons, or is the atomic number. 6 carbon 13 and 6 carbon 14, students. These are 3 isotopes of carbon. 6 carbon 12, 6 carbon 13 and 6 carbon 14. You can see that everywhere number of proton is same. Hence number of electron is also same in all these 3 species. And their atomic number is also same, which is 6 in all these 3 species. But their mass number is different. So 12 minus 6, number of neutron comes out to be 6. In the other one, 13 minus 6, 7. 14 minus 6, 8. So number of neutron is different, 6, 7 and 8 respectively. Coming to the example of chlorine, isotopes of chlorine. You can see that their number of electrons or atomic number is same. What is different, students? Mass number. Here it is 35 and here it is 37. So number of neutron is different. Coming to the second term, isobar. Second atomic species, isobars. Atoms of different elements, students. Atoms of different elements that have same mass number but different atomic number are called isobars. So what are isobars, students? Atoms of different elements that have same mass number but different atomic number. Okay, so their mass number is same but their atomic numbers are different. They are known as isobars. Now students, I am coming to the third atomic species, isotones. Isotones, these are the species in which number of neutrons are same. Students, in isotones, number of neutrons are same. Examples are 6 carbon 14, 7 nitrogen 15 and 8 oxygen 16. If you calculate number of neutron in all these 3 species, carbon has got 14 minus 6, 8 neutron. Nitrogen has got 15 minus 7, 8 neutron. Oxygen has got 16 minus 8, 8 neutron. So these all 3 species have got same number of neutron. Hence they are isotones. I hope it is very clear to you all students. Coming to in these three species, what do you see? That their atomic numbers and mass numbers both are different. Isoelectronic species, students. Coming to isoelectronic species, the species containing same number of electrons are called isoelectronic species, isn't it? The name indicates iso means same, electronic means electrons. Now you see what is the number of electron in oxide and O2 negative. Students, you know that oxygen has got atomic number 6. So oxide means O2 negative. That means 2 extra electrons taken to form this species. So number of electron becomes, students, number of, just a minute, one correction. The atomic number of oxygen is 8. Number of valence electron, I said 6. So the atomic number of oxygen is 8. Number of proton is 8. When it forms oxide anion, the configuration becomes 2 and 8. That means total number of electron becomes 10. Students, F negative, you know that atomic number of fluorine is 9. 1 negative, that means total number of electron becomes 10. Similarly, number of protons or atomic number of sodium is 11. When it gives or donates 1 electron, 10 electrons remain with sodium ion. Similarly, magnesium has got atomic number 12. So 2 positive means 2 electrons are deficient. The number of electron becomes 10. Similarly, aluminium has got 13 electrons. So 3 positive, that means 3 electrons are given to form this cation. So the number of electrons in this species aluminium 3 positive is 10. See, all these species are having 10 electrons, students. And in neon we know that configuration is 2, 8, atomic number 10. It's a noble gas. Each of them contains 10 electrons each, and hence they are isoelectronic. Thank you.